In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in Hubspot. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll feel confident sending a one-to-one email directly from a record in your Hubspot CRM. This is really useful when you want all your communication with a contact, company, or deal to be tracked in one place without jumping back and forth between Hubspot and your regular inbox. First, make sure you're logged into your Hubspot account and that your email is already connected to Hubspot. If your email isn't connected, you won't see the same options and you won't be able to send messages from inside the CRM. Once you're in Hubspot, go to the main navigation and click on the CRM section. From there, decide what kind of record you want to email from. You can choose contacts if you want to email a specific person, companies if you're working at the account level, or deals if you're communicating in the context of a particular opportunity. After you've chosen the right area, you'll see a list of records. Find the record you want to work with and click on the name. This opens the record's details page, where you can see the timeline of all activities, notes, calls, and of course emails related to that record. Now look to the top left area of the record's timeline. You should see an email icon. Click this email icon to open the email composer right inside Hubspot. This is where you'll write your one-to-one email. In the composer, start by adding a clear subject line that tells the recipient what the email is about. Then draft your message in the main body area. You can type a completely new message, or, if your account is set up with templates, you can insert one and customize it. Take a moment to check the contact's details on the right-hand side if you need any context, like their role, life cycle stage, or recent activity. Before sending, make sure everything looks correct: the recipient's address, the subject line, and the content of your message. You can also review any tracking or logging options available so the email is properly recorded on the timeline. When you're ready, click Send. Hubspot will deliver the email and automatically log it on that record's activity timeline, so you and your team can always see what was sent and when. That's all there is to it. You've just sent a one-to-one email directly from a Hubspot record, keeping your communication organized and easy to track.